Hi everyone, welcome to Maverick channel. Today we will be talking about the Dji Spark and the SMRC S20. A lot of people have been writing me and they say, hey Maverick, why don't you make a comparison between the Dji Spark and the SMRC? Well, this is it today. And now is a good time, guys. If you've not yet subscribed, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell beside that. Okay, in this first series, guys, we will be talking about the differences and similarities between the remote control of the SMRC and that of the Dji Spark. So guys, please stay tuned and let's get straight to business. Alright guys, let us get straight to it. First off is the transmitter or the remote control for the SMRC S20. It is a very comfortable to hold transmitter, very nicely built. It has this little ridges right here which you can also use as a grip. You can also control your cameras from your remote control. This is for pictures and this one here is for videos. And also it has 3 speed levels, so if you click the first time, speed 1, speed 2, speed 3, and if you want to go back to the lower speed, you just click it the 4th time, then it goes back to your slower speed. Of course, you have the power button right here, and then over here you have your 1 key takeoff and 1 key landing, and this also has a 3rd function, which is a kill switch. So if your drone is drifting too fast and you've lost control of it, you can just press and hold, and then it kills the motor of the drone, and then it drops down. So please guys note, I always say it's better to break a propeller than to lose your whole drone. You have your 2 joysticks, of course, and then you have the left trim and the right trim right here. You have the trim for backward and upward. If it's pointing forward, guys, remember it means if your drone is drifting backward, you push the one that goes forward, and if it is drifting forward, you push the one that goes backward. There is a dual function button at the top left corner of your transmitter right here. A short press initiates the headless mode, and a long press is the return to home. Also, at the top right corner of your transmitter, there you have your flip button. It also comes with a phone holder. At the back of your transmitter, you can find a compartment for your AAA batteries. It takes 3 of them, and you need a screwdriver that comes with the drone to open and then put in your batteries. It also has an antenna, but these are just for, looks, and it really doesn't work. Up next is the Dji Spark Transmitter. You have the 1 key landing, of course, the left and right joystick. You have this phone button right here, which is to change your speed levels, either from the normal level to the sports mode. And then at the top of the transmitter, you have this rolling button right here. This is to control your gimbal, either to lift it up and down. Left, you lift it up, right, you push it up, you push it down, and then you have your record button here. This is for videos, and also this one here is for pictures. And then this is a button that you can, adapt to any other functions that you want to add to your remote control. Your power button is found at the right top corner of your remote control, and to turn it on, all you do is you push once, and then you push, and then you hold, and then you hear that beep. That means it is turned on. Now you have to wait for this light to turn green. That is what would indicate that it is linked to your drone. But for it to link to your drone, of course, you have to turn your drone on. Also, a very easy to open handle for your phone also has compartment where you could, pass your OTG cable through. Also, you have the function button right here, which is mostly used when setting up your transmitter and during other types of settings. As opposed to the SMRC S20 remote control that takes AAA battery, the Dji Spark transmitter comes in with a built-in battery which you can charge using this port right here. Also, during recording, you can decide to pause your video using this button, or to start your video again, recording using this button, or you can use this one up here as well. It should also be noted that you can charge your Dji Spark Transmitter without necessarily opening the phone holder, simply because it has a nice curve back here which you can plug in without having to open the handles. Alright guys, please comment below and please subscribe if you've not yet subscribed, and don't forget to hit the bell next to the subscribe button. We will continue this series comparing other features of the Dji Spark and the SMRC. Thank you for watching and stay blessed.